tayo ng rubber shoes. Kasi meron po tayong rubber shoes tulad ng tarang! Pinayos ko po kay Manang. I'm using it outdoors, no? Pag nasa work ako, yun, inakyat ng bukid, nag-cross na more river. So, now, we will be buying a shoe specific lang talaga na gagamitin natin sa loob ng bahay for our exercises. Yun. So, come and join me here sa Tabuk Langgit Sangwit sa Arthur's Footwear. Yun, I hope you enjoyed my short vlog. And yeah, practical po tayo sa buhay. We just buy what we need. And ayun, well, I enjoyed wearing my footwear that would last for years. And yun, ang aking shoes actually is almost 6 years na. Kaya medyo mahirap pakawalan. Oh, loyal yarn. And this is what I use when I go on field work. Tanan! Ayan siya. Sorry for the dirt. And this is what I used earlier. Yun! Look at this! Look at this! Bam! Magkutong tabing akong dog-dog. You like this? You like this? Huh? You like that? You like that? Huh? Titin, you like that, Titin? You like that? And this is what Nanay Ruda fixed. Look at that! Looks new. Ta-da! I got my rubber shoes and my other rubber shoes outside. And there you go. How'd you like my shoes? How'd you like my shoes? You like it? You like it? Huh? Huh? You say goodbye to my vlog. Bye-bye!
Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong nga channel. Kung bago pa lang kamo diri, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimding. Rubeinspired!